Hi, and welcome to this episode of Drawing with Miss Kristen on ArtSphere. Today we're going to be drawing a koala. Koalas are native to Australia, and they look like fuzzy bears that you just want to pick up and play with. But they are actually very dangerous, and you shouldn't pick them up. If you see them, don't touch them. Just take a picture from far away. But we're going to be drawing a koala in 6 easy steps, and we're going to start by drawing a big letter Y on our paper. So let's get started. Just like that. Step 2 is you want to draw 2 semicircles in the top of the Y on the side. Okay. Step 3, you want to draw some ears. So go to the top of the Y and draw another semicircle like that. Other side, the same exact thing. Still in step 3, we're going to draw some of his features. We're going to draw a oblong circle for his nose. And we're going to draw a line come down right here in the middle of the Y. Like that. And we're also going to, still on the Y, we're going to come down and draw this. Another semicircle. Step 4. Draw 2 circles right here for his eye and color those in with your marker. Excuse me. And give him a smiley face. Because they're happy looking, they're just not friendly. So, draw a line right here where you just made these 2 lines. And come on the other side of this, the Y shape, and draw a line like this. The same shape. And a hook. Same thing right here. Like that. And that is obviously a tree. You can even draw some leaves on it. Because koalas normally hang out in trees and they're very territorial and they don't like people bothering them and taking them from their home, petting them, you know? So now that you're finished drawing your koala, you're going to draw some accessories. Koalas, like I said, have very sharp claws. So we're going to draw his claws right here, come right here. 1 at the bottom of the first one. Another, and the third one. They have 3 claws. 1, 2, 3. And they also have fluffy, fuzzy tails, just like this. Like I said, they look so friendly and fuzzy, but they're not. But once again, thank you guys so much for joining us in this video. Koalas are usually dark brown and gray, and color your koala if you would like to make your koala pink. You can totally use your imagination, and I can't wait to see your finished results. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and have a good day.